guys, welcome back to my video. So guys, in this video we are talking about if you are facing a problem with microphone in Google, so how to fix and enable it. You can see over here in right corner, you can click over here and go to settings. In settings you can see the option privacy and security. Go to site settings right over here, and after that you can scroll down and you can find the option microphone. If your check is right over here, you can just check over here, and if still not fixed, you can see the option. In my case it is different. You can select the option and hopefully your problem will be fixed with your microphone. So guys, this is a very small tutorial. I hope this video was helpful for you, so leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.